Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Here we go, finished product, 7.3 Godzilla. You know there ain't many people in the country even building these engines. Me and Steve like to take a challenge on. With Willis Performance helping us out in the beginning, and still does, we are being very successful with these. There's been some big boys trying to build these things. They pulled out. They can't keep them together. At Proformance Unlimited, we keep them together and make performance. Now, this happens to be our 675 edition. A lot of ways to build these. If you look at some of the pictures on our website, you can see you can get fuel injection system, tool-up systems, all different types of intake manifold, timing covers with different type of pulley systems, oil pans, valve covers, you name it. We could custom build this Godzilla, and more is on the way. Hey, that's the really cool thing. This engine just came out in 2021, and man, we are taking off with this thing. You want to get ahead of the game? Call us for a Godzilla motor and be ahead of your company and be ahead of the competition. All right, little Michaels, I got your 65 Ford Mustang engine on a dyno. Godzilla 7.3. Man, let's check it out.